Are you tired of having your digital pictures ruined by the realities of life?
This trip is so boring.
I just wish there was a way to make us appear happy.
Well, now there is. Introducing the new Facade Shot from Pony. The Facade Shot's revolutionary emotion-enhancing technology can turn your frown into a smile.
Wow, I look happy.
It's almost like you don't hate your life.
Almost. You think it'll work with intimate photos?
Claro que sí. The Facade Shot is perfect to erase her disappointment in the bedroom, turning sexual frustration into a sexual celebration.
Thank goodness, we definitely need that. Why are you always looking at other women?
What? I wasn't.
Can the Facade Shot make that look fat?
Sure, why not?
With some facial hair.
Okay.
And with a sexually transmitted disease.
No creo que sea una buena idea.
Do it!
Está bien, está bien, está bien.
Look at
The new Pony Facade Shot. Emotion enhancement technology lets you rewrite history. Make every shot a happy shot.